This is the multi-function handheld vacuum cleaner. Just took it out the box. I'm gonna take it out of the bags so you can see what the parts look like. Right here is the filter, and that's where the suction tube hooks up to. Take these out as well here. Or you got right here the suction nozzle. Then you have the USB charger. I'm gonna undo that quick. Then you have the suction brush here, which you use for seats and cushions and stuff, and foot pads and stuff like that. And these three are going to be the dust blowers. Multi-function dust blowers here. Got this one and that one. And this one. And then we'll take out the main. The main part looks like at the button there. At the bottom is where you're supposed to charge it. Pretty nice. There's a little handle there with a dip in so you can grip it better. One thing that you need to know is please fully charge. You're gonna need to fully charge this item first and keep the filter installed before using it. So that's good to know. Gonna put this stuff together. Where you remove the vacuum body, it says you make sure you want to turn it clockwise. So I'm going to put this on here now. See how it like slides in right there and it locks. That's how the suction goes in. It's going to be pretty neat. It's going to be pretty interesting. Yeah, I'm going to charge this up and then we'll give it a go. See how it sounds and how it runs. When you're charging it, as you see there, you got the red light. And when it's all done, it's going to be green. To make sure you have a good connection there. Alright, so it's blinking green now. It's fully charged. And let's ready to do this. Alright, we have a couple of shavings here on the table. I'm going to run this vacuum quick, and then I'm going to run it in the car later. So you can see how it sounds. Turn on. Got it pretty nicely there. See, they're all inside. Pretty powerful. Sounds really nice. Going to use this in the car as well. I got this for something quick and easy to use in my car. Because sometimes, you know, when the kids are in there, when they're eating their fast food, McDonald's and stuff, sometimes you get a lot of crumbs in between the seats, which is hard to catch with bigger vacuums. I'm busy dad here. Y'all can relate, but yeah.